so fucking mad at myself. My name is Stanley. Oh. I'm gonna fucking not crazy, not killer, fucking cunt. The fucking reality is that we are fucking. I'm the fucking guy. Fucking guy. I'm the fucking police. Yeah. Or it can be like the Rolling Stones. Blah. 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 Sabi ni Squirrel. Pag-Squirrel ito. Yak na. Joke lang na. Ako pa ko is. Pero pala. Kaya nga pala ito gaganda na. Papaganda. The time is 14:05. I'm really sweaty because I'm a Bombay in a fucking whose body of a fucking Jokmok. Hindi ka natuto. Fucking stupidity now. I don't know if I'm gonna open that one or that one. They want to be table. No. We've been table for a long time. Anyways, and motherfucking by the way. I gave Shong Langshing of Cambodian Shong Langshing money that is small. I'm not rich more KAY, but you know, money that is small, like tiny money. But I gave him the squirrel, and Chongshan LEE being American, we'll call it, okay? Chongshan LEE of LEE Dynasty or LEE Triad or 14K LEE Pink Team. So I don't know what the fuck is Chongshan LEE is fucking team right now, or Team Triad, Yakula Hate or Love, or I don't know, Team Lord Vice or Vice. I don't know how to fuck. Okay, ano man. You see, I got the fucking ox one, or the bull, you know. Bullshit this. And I got the fucking bear one. So you know, it's a brown bear, a black bear, or a white bear, or a violet bear. It doesn't matter as long as I think of Morrigan after I kiss her feet. So I love to, from the, you know, I wear like that, and she's that. Everybody's Morrigan now. Who cares about Celine May or Celine Poirier? Everybody's Morrigan, but the face is Celine Poirier. I'm just fucking with all of you. I'm fucking, oh, now this is how I talk now, man. Little Desire, Richmore D or Richmore B, or I don't know, Richmore B. It's more like that. So she is with, or so he is with, he is with, you know, Chankalikubi. You know, Anna Little Desire with Chankalikubi, who is gonna be Anna Alicia Avril. Don't you like that, Anna Little Desire? I fucking love it. Yeah. At least the dog is gonna fuck me up. Fucking will fuck you up. Don't fuck me up. Really, you can be that, but you have no rights on her fucking work. That's how she is. She's a fucking dragon. That's a big boss dragon. That's smart. Smart. She wants to be a little girl. You know, Dr. PASQAL. See you. See you. He said, see you. It's 5:17 on the clock. This one is gonna be the one that is gonna give the dance is Holy na Happy TikTok, you know, the Dragon Balls. And it's gonna be, I'm gonna open it using my fucking the AG Samurais, you know, Alex Gonzaga Samurai or Samurai ladies. Alex Gonzaga, make Ushima wannabe Samurai ladies. Chambi chambe, chambi chambe, chambi chambe, I don't know, chambi chambe, 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 okay. Taytay okay is the best. You go there. Taytay Achangge, Tagisa Taytay, the best over there. The Muslims love me. I don't know, somebody just, it was Clarice who said, Muslim Kirari here when he was supposed to do that thing Clarice. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with that thing Clarice right now. And now we open it. And this one, whoever is 690, whoever comes here will get this one and whatever they're like, look at this shit. Can I please open so I can show you? Whoever comes is lucky, come over here, or whoever I invite, or whoever, whenever I go, really, you fucking see this. It's not good. It's fucking it's for my daughters. I'm so very sorry. 12 below. I don't know. I hope it fits. I don't know. They can just, you know, if it doesn't fit, you can just go to the fucking zoo or someone and 712 Grace Lauren, no, Lauren. Nakalimutan na natin si Lorena. Si Lorena ng Acro Neighborhood. Apo Neighborhood. Wala na raw, puro Acro na. Si Reggie rin nag-Acro na. It's gonna be, you know, today, look at that, look at this one, the fucking heart key, look at that. You're gonna be lucky when, if they get somebody, a guy named GH Pokeki says she is now a she. Fuck. It's 8:08 on the clock. It's fucking, look at that, it's a fucking key, you know. I'll just call it later. This one is the great one. It's all fucking keys, you know. And this one is it used to be Kikushiki Clan, but it's just Acro, you know, like AKP, Alpha Kappa color. And fucking ninjas of Shalamada key. It's black, but in this their code is black and this. You now see, and this one is pink and this one is brown, you guys. I'm just gonna bring you isang chupa, isang subo na pwede. Siguraduhin kung kayo ang lalabas na, hindi ako. And motherfucking now, they are now from this fucking house. Look, they are now from this house, the little girls. They're now from downstairs. But really, I'm supposed to bring it upstairs now. I don't want them to be downstairs. It's really not embarrassing, but really delicate, you know. You see my fucking house. I tour up my house now. You know how it is in the fucking what is the MTV Cribs? Hopefully MTV Cribs gets this fucking thing. My fucking house is really simple. You see, the fucking used to be Changzhou Richmond room, and the work room. And now we are here. Gotta go.